Introduce features or interest of heat press machine, Braodfashion 12x15-inch, 9-in-1 heat press 800W sublimation machine, 360 degrees rotation swing away shirt printing machine. If you want to get highlight features and full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Introduce features or interest include 12x15-inch heat press machine. 9-in-1 can be used for t-shirts, caps, ceramic plates, ceramic tiles, mugs, coasters, mouse pads, jigsaw puzzles, lettering, other miscellaneous fabrics and materials. It can transfer colorful pictures and characters of sublimating and dissolved printing ink onto ceramics, glasses, and textiles such as cotton, flax, chemical fiber, nylon and more. Heat press with bonus 2 Teflon sheets, full protection for your clothes. 360 degrees rotation and hydraulic spring. Full 360 degree rotation of swing away and guide rail design allows the heating element to be moved safely aside, reducing the chances of accidental contact and protect your hands as well. Adjustable height and multi-spring pressure knob can be adjusted according to the thickness of the material, ensures 2 plates can fit together perfectly. Guarantees the quality of finished transfers. Fast heating and double tube. The circuit board is designed in accordance with UL standards, with dual channel control, using thyristor to accurately control the temperature. The temperature difference can be controlled at plus or minus 5 degrees, and the 10 amp relay is used as the second channel of guarantee control. When the first channel fails, the second channel of control automatically switches, does not affect customer use. High-quality t-shirt pressing machine make transfer work easier. Digital control box. The large screen display of the electric control box is simple and intuitive, and the instrument operation is convenient. It has the counting function, and has the function of fast switching of 3 modes. Temperature range, 0 to 482 degrees Fahrenheit, 0 to 250 degrees Celsius, time range to 999 seconds. Digital control box, can be set temperature according to the demand, it stops heating when preset temperature is reached. Preset required time, and sound alarm will be issued when time completed. In addition, you can press to subscribe us and press the bell look for all press to get instant notifications of all future uploads. Thank you for watching.